Hello everyone, today I'm gonna repot my Alocasia pink dragon, what I have here, and also I will repot some of my plant. I think it's Dieffenbachia from semi-hydro. This is what we're gonna do, and we're gonna do repotting my Alocasia amazonica. Because you can see the system roots, it's very tight here, so let's do this. Okay, I'm so excited because I bought this plant 1 year ago, and she had over the winter 2 new leaves. It's 2 of them, the high one. So we'll see how she is doing. Well. Actually, I expect just a little bit more healthy roots. I don't see any corms, which is very disappointing because that's why I decide to repot this plant. But let's check just a little bit deeper. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this leaf because it's very weak. No, I don't have any corms really. Anything. That's so disappointing. Really? Oh no, I thought I'm gonna have at least 2 or 3. The system roots is not really big one. Oh no. That's the shame. That's the shame. I hope now she's not gonna be upset with me. I even touch her and she's gonna die like all of them. Actually, this is my first Alocasia which didn't die. I think I'm gonna maybe repot in transparent. I thought I'm gonna have some babies. Nothing. And so many dead roots too. Okay, let's touch. It's only leca. No. Okay, I'm not gonna chase more because I will not find here anything. I guess it's just soil and these things. And the root system is not really impressive, actually. So I think I will repot in the smaller pot, so I will know what to expect. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. What we can do. Yeah, the system root is not really big, so I will put just a little bit smaller. I'm not really well set today here in my living room. I have been working so much, almost every day, so it's not easy for me to find the time for care about my plants. But actually yesterday I have been showered all of them, almost all of them. So let's hope they're gonna be better. Okay, now I hope she's gonna be more happy with this and stable. Now I'll give him some water, some more water, not like lately. She have been kind of dry. I let her suck just a little bit of water. It's gonna be fine. And now let's try to repot this. This is gonna be probably, yes, it's a lot of runners I see, and some corms too. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 Boris runner. Yeah, I have a lot of runners here, if you see. But I just water this. I think it's fine. I don't want to open more. Yeah, I think this is gonna be fine, this pot. Maybe just a little too much. Yes, perfect. Okay. I'm just gonna get just a little bit because it's already wet. Now I will take if it's gonna be possible, my Dieffenbachia out from this glass, because I really want to return to soil. I think will be better, I'll be more happy. It looks very good. I don't think it's very happy here. So I will move to pot. I have such a mess here. I was not really prepared for this video today. But like I said, I don't have a time. So I will do how I can do. This can be just a little bit maybe too big pot. We'll see. Okay, looks nice. Let's give a little zip. And let's hope it's gonna be more happy. I also have Philodendron here, but it's not really happy. It's not growing on this moss ball, so I will repot it because I'm tired of this. Tired of this. Tired of this. I will have to destroy of the roots, unfortunately. We'll try to take them out. I'm gonna cut for sure here. Because this plant is not happy at all. So it's very poor, like you see. It's not growing. Every leaf it's coming, it's just very bad. So I'm gonna try to propagate the stick. I don't know how yet. I think in Moscow and my worm cabinet. And then we'll see if it's gonna enjoy new life. Okay, I'm tired of this, so I will put this to this terracotta. We'll see if it's gonna survive. Now it's look like this. Hope it's gonna be happy. I'm actually very good with my philodendrons, but this one is totally different. Maybe because when I get from the store, I already have a treats, which is lovely way to start with a new plant, isn't it? So let's try how it's gonna be again in the soil after half year, I think. Didn't grow anything almost. But I believe it's gonna be more happy in this airy pot. And some seed. There we go.